Hello everyone, it's JSim. Today what we will do together is reverting a change. Since I I noticed that in the community a lot of people are not aware of how we can revert a change using Augment. So we will do two things today. We will revert a change using the Augment in the agent mode. So I will tell you it will do the change, we will revert it. And after that, we will do this exact same change, but we will revert with the GitHub repository that is currently connected in the crawler. We are on the latest version of that GitHub repository. Everything is fine. We are ready to do it. So please add a docs to for neon using that link into library.yaml. So basically, we'll do a small change. Let's do it. You will check the context, we'll read the file. So the change is done. We can see right here that we have modified 3 lines. It should be good. No. Here's the diff. So that's good. But basically what we want to do is reverting that change. So what we will do is going to the checkpoint and revert to this version. And normally, if I go into the file, it's reverted. There's right now there's no like notification that the revert was done, but you can see that reverted to checkpoint 1. So that's the notification you were looking for. We can go back to that version right here. It's getting back. It's there. So what I want to do, maybe instead of using the checkpoint here, maybe I will do undo all. Do I want to undo? Yes. So here we go. The change is not there anymore. Um, Basically, that's it. We can see that we can see the diff directly into Augment. And the second thing we can do, since we are connected with a GitHub repository, we will ask exactly the same. And it will do it. So the change is now done. Everything looks good. We can see also the diff here. Just open the file. We see it. We want to see the diff. Here we go. So this was added. And if we're in the file, we see it. How we can check if we don't have augment? That like we have augment, we know we can do the diff thing. We can revert that way, but how can you revert it using GitHub also? So the GitHub will tell you every change that has been done to your project since the last commit. Okay. So we see that that file was changed with the neon doc right here. What we will do is reverting that change. You have the discard change right here, and discard the file. Here we go. So it's discarded. Everything is reverted. The change is not there anymore, and you can track all the change basically that you are doing into your project with the agent mode. Maybe sometime it will edit many files and you can get lost. So I suggest you guys to download a not download, install a source control like GitHub to manage your project. Every time you're satisfied about a change that is working and everything is fine, you can send a comment message like here we go. Now, maybe everything that you want to do and commit it to GitHub directly. So you will have a fresh Windows here about the change. Everything will be fine. And if the agent or the chat mode is doing an error, at least you have a point to restore. You can discard the change, you can revert. It's you. So if you have any comments and or the question, you can ask it directly into the Augment community or into comments of this video. So thank you very much for listening and have a good day. Bye bye.